Hello everyone and welcome to this Spock Workshops baking tutorial. Today we are making unicorn dust. Before we start, make sure you have everything you need. First, add your candy melts and the coconut oil into your microwave-safe container. Start by microwaving for 35 seconds. Stir and continue microwaving for 10 seconds at a time, stirring in between. Once your candy melts are melted, stir in the cotton candy flavor. Next, add the Rice Krispies and stir until evenly coated. Place the powdered sugar into a large Ziploc bag and add the candy melt mixture. Shake the bag and break up any clumps until you have lots of small sugar-coated pieces. Next, spread out the mixture into a pan or cookie sheet. Sprinkle it with sprinkles. Now leave the pan to dry and set for around 30 minutes. Once it's set, all that's left to do is enjoy your creation. Thanks for baking with us.